Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change any dress color in Photoshop. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. First of all, we have to make the selection of our dress. Let's make it using quick selection tool. After selecting the dress, click on the adjustment layer icon and click hue and saturation. Now here click on colorize. Now drag the saturation slider to the 100%. After doing this, now you can change the color using hue slider. Drag the hue slider where you want. By dragging the hue slider, you can change the color. Select the color whatever you want. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video would helpful for you. If you really like this video, please click the like button and hit the subscribe button to never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching.